Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a conversation pit in Heartopia. So if you want the tutorial on the fireplace, actually I'll do it after this video because it's like a whole ordeal. So I'm just going to do the pit first. Um, Actually, maybe if I colored it like this color. Okay, that's better. Sorry. All right, so let's start the video. I am just going to put floors like all around that area. Oh my gosh, do I have enough space? I don't want to move this anymore. Okay, I think I do have space, but like I'm really at the edge. I don't know why I built it like at the edge, but it's fine. You live and you learn. And actually, I'm just going to make it a little bit wider for the like sofas and stuff like that and the stairs. So let's start with the couch. I am going to use the cozy sofa. Hopefully you have this one. And I'm just going to color this. You can color it to whatever color you want, obviously. And I'm just going to kind of place that all around the area. It's going to be a very large conversation, but you can make a smaller one, but that means you will not have the like fire pit, I guess. And yeah, that's totally up to you. Okay, and then we're going to use the corner sofas for the same thing. Again, I'm just going to change the color. And now you're just going to place a half wall surrounding the area. So I'm just going to want to do that first. Like so. I'm just taking pieces out of this, honestly, so I don't have to recolor it. Just put this back, as well as this one. Oops. Okay, so we have this so far. Next, we are going to, I'm just going to get a wall here so that the ceiling and the floor color is the same. And I am going to color the flooring first. Whoops. Hello. Oh. We're going to use this color. And then for the ceiling, I'm just going to use this same color again. There we go. And now I'm just going to take, whoops, this, and I'm just going to surround it. I think it's easier this way to kind of go about it. Like so, and we'll just delete that wall in a minute. Okay. And I am going to steal a half wall here. Let me just put this back where it is. And we are going to surround this area with that half wall again. Sorry, I'm just taking bits and pieces because it's easier that way. I think I said that already. I don't know why I said it twice. Right, let's fill in the gaps here. Put it back together. Oops, almost forgot one. Okay, now you're gonna figure out where you want the stairs to go. I think I want the stairs to go right here. So I'm just going to put that back. I'm going to get some stairs. In a minute, I'll probably remove some stuff as well. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use this one because it has like lights and it's very pretty. And we are going to try to color it the same. Let's see. Okay, that's perfect. And then I'm just going to remove this. Okay, I'll add a half wall then there. Oh my gosh, I have to recolor it again, guys. Wait, which one did I use? This one? And I'm just going to do that, and I'll just use I'm gonna use like a half wall here to close this up. Oh my gosh, let me remove this first. I can't see what's going on. Okay, add one there. And then I'm gonna take another one here, place it down there. Oh my gosh, I'm like the slowest builder in this entire planet. Sorry. And I'm just going to place it here, and I'm just going to place that there. And let's do that. And that is it. Your conversation pit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Honestly, it is very big because I did put this here. You can make it smaller if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!